Welcome to Jamie's 4.0 Garage. Today I'm super excited to bring to you one of my favorite tools called the dial caliper. The dial caliper is my favorite because it does the job of so many other tools. Basically, it's a 0 to 1 inch, 0 to 2, 0 to 3, 0 to 4, 0 to 5, 0 to 6 inch micrometer or screw gauge, both outside, inside, and depth. And it also performs a simple function of like a 6-inch scale. So with this one tool, you can do a number of different things when you're working around the shop, your house, or building, fixing, whatever your new project happens to be. So with a few simple, easy steps, I'm gonna show you how this tool works and what it can do. So this axle seal from a Trans Am, maybe I wanna measure the inside diameter. So I simply use this part of the tool to measure what the inside diameter of this would be. Or maybe I wanna measure the outside diameter to see if it goes into the proper hole in my rear axle housing and it's gonna fit and seal. Or maybe I wanna measure the thickness of the actual seal, or maybe I wanna measure the depth of the seal. This one tool is gonna do it all. And think about all the things out there working on your car, truck, dirt bike, anything you're building. Think about all the things you gotta measure. This tool does the job of so many. So let's talk about it. Let me show you how to do it so you can start measuring stuff on your own. So let's get right into this very easily. No matter what you're using, whether it's the inside, outside, depth, or length of something, it all works the same way. That's why I love this thing. It's great. So basically the premise of this is we can take 1 inch and divide it into 10 parts, each part being 100 thousandths. And then that 100 thousandths is displayed on this actual gauge right here. That's why they call it a dial, right? So the dial part of this measuring tool is taking that each line of these 100 thousandths and making it super easy to read. Much easier than reading a micrometer or a screw gauge. So if I was to measure the thickness of this, I would just take my dial caliper and I would slide it over with my thumb right to the thickness of this, and I would just slip the fit just like you're using a micrometer, and then I would read it. And if I'm looking, what do I have here? I have 100, 200, 300 thousandths, and then I have another 11 thousandths on my gauge. So how would I write this? Very simply, I would write it as 311 thousandths. And how would I say it? 311 thousandths. So super easy. No matter what you're using, inside, outside, depth, or length, this one tool in all one convenient package does it all. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please be sure to like it, subscribe it, and share it. Thank you very much for watching.